I have a new hedge trimmer from WORKPROX. This one does have a blade guard that you can put on there. And I did do their tree trimmer, which worked outstanding. This one is a 20V series. And I'll go ahead and show you up close a little bit, and then we'll try it out, and I'll show it to you. I haven't tried this one yet, but their other one worked phenomenal. So that's where the battery's going to go, of course. Here's going to be one of your triggers, and then your other one. Now, as you can see, it does have some pretty large blades, so this will cut some decent sized branches. So you're going to pull the one trigger, and then you got to pull the second one. Now, this one doesn't seem to have as much power as the tree one, so I'm curious how well this one will do. Maybe I'll actually try it on some of these berry bushes that are all over the place. All right, let's go ahead and try it out on these blackberry bushes. I hate these things. They are everywhere. All right, we can go ahead and try it out on this unruly pine tree that's kind of sticking out and getting ready to get into the driveway here. Let's try these little pieces first. All right, so it will cut branches. It just struggles a little bit compared to the tree one, of course. Too many branches. Now, it doesn't have quite as much power as the tree one, which is kind of expected, but it actually will still cut through some of these thicker branches, and it will handle a hedge or any kind of bush or something like that really easily. It handled the blackberry bush canes no problem either. Now, after doing that, we didn't do a ton of stuff, but we are at 86% battery life. So it depends on what you're using it for. The branches, they definitely eat up the battery a heck of a lot faster. The tree trimmer one, that one had a little bit better battery life when it came to that part. But if you're looking for a cordless hedge trimmer that's going to have enough power to do all your bushes and even some of these small branches, this is the WORKPROX 20V series, and it does work pretty well.